What's up everybody and welcome back to How To Knots. Today I'm going to show you how to tie the gnat hitch. So don't go anywhere and we'll get right into the tutorial. The gnat hitch is super easy to tie. It starts by going around your object with your working end, crossing over and just making a simple hitch through your main line here. Then what we're going to do is we're going to come around underneath the bottom of the main line, over top of this hitch, and then back through here. Alright, just like that. Okay, pull to tighten. This line is where it runs along, so to tighten you're going to pull this one and this one, just work them a little bit, and then you can run your line along the main here. And then when you pull up to your object, just pull tight and the knot will tighten. To undo, just retrace your steps, so just take this working end and pull it out here, and the whole knot will unravel. One of the primary reasons that I really like the gnat hitch is because the tighter you pull, the tighter it pulls down on your working end here, so it actually can't escape. So the harder I pull, it actually puts pressure on this hitch, puts pressure on the working end here, and it can't go anywhere, so it's not going to come undone. For you slow mowers out there, I'm going to do a slow-mo tutorial now, and for everyone else, thanks for watching. For you slow motion people, here we go. We're going to do a slower tutorial of the gnat hitch. We're going to go over our object here, cross over the front, just like so. Okay, I'm going to come underneath this one here, just like this. And that's all for now. Then I'm going to come underneath this main line again, just like that. We're going to take this hitch here and we're going to go over the top through. Just through that little hole, over the top. All right. Through, just like that. Pull that one, pull this one. Tight, tight. Slide it up. And pull the tighten. And that is the gnat hitch. Thank you everyone for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.